is what we've stated throughout the years. We say to alert the international communities of the many wrong things that are happening in the country on policy level, and the solutions that we propose as the broader solidarity movement, therefore, needs to be also aired and needs to be understood and conveyed to the United States. One of the most pertinent messages that we give through, and that is very well received, is that for solutions to take place, that those solutions must occur in the country that we have. And we also present them with our solutions, and it's received very well.
As the economic freedom fighters, we declare with unyielding conviction that these enclaves are a mortal threat to the very soul of our nation and to nation building. They must be eradicated, their architects prosecuted, and their toxic ideology banished forever. There is no place for racism in South Africa. Not now, not ever. These enclaves strike at the heart of our vision for a united, non-racial South Africa. They are a direct assault on the dream forged in the blood and sacrifice of our liberation heroes. A dream of a nation where all citizens, regardless of race, build a shared future.